how to add music to YouTube Shorts. So if you want to add music to your YouTube Shorts, then first you need to open up your YouTube application. Once you open up your YouTube, now you just need to simply go with the bottom middle, which has a plus icon. Now you will have the short option, right? You just need to simply go with the add option, which is on the bottom left, and add any video. Now tap on next, and after that tap on done, which is on the bottom right, and now tap on the tick again, which is on the bottom, and you will get this kind of interface, right? And here on the top you will have add sound option. Tap on add sound. Once you tap on it, here you will have all of the sounds. So if you have browse option, then under browse you will have all of the top songs which are trending right now, or you can also go with saved, so that you will have all of your saved sounds right here. So I'll just simply go with browse, and here you can simply choose any song that you would like. You can also choose the options right here and tap on the song that you would like to add, and go with the right side, which has that arrow, and the song has been added. Now you just need to simply go with next, which is on the bottom right, and now go with upload short. And that's how you can add music to your YouTube Shorts. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.